In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping in Hostinger Website Builder. To get started, first open your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to your website and click on it so you can access the store management area. From there, click Manage Store. This is where you'll find the main controls for running your online shop, including products, orders, payments, and of course, shipping. After that, look for Settings and click on it. Inside the Settings area, find the Shipping section and open it. This is where you'll create the shipping setup for your store. And the first thing you'll need to do is create a shipping zone. Click Create Zone. A shipping zone is basically a group of locations that will share the same shipping rules. You'll be asked to enter a zone name, so choose something clear and easy to recognize. For example, you might name it based on a country or region, depending on where you want to ship. Then add the country or countries that belong in that zone. This helps organize your shipping rates and makes it easier to apply the right options to the right customers. Once the zone has been added, click on that zone to continue. Inside it, click Add Option. This is where you'll create the actual shipping method your customers will see during checkout. Enter a name for the shipping option. Make sure it's something straightforward, so customers can understand it easily, like standard shipping or express shipping. Next, add the shipping rate. If you want to charge for delivery, you must enter the amount here. If you'd prefer to offer free shipping, you can simply leave it as free shipping instead. This gives you flexibility depending on your business model and what kind of experience you want to offer your customers. You can also click Add Condition if you want to make the shipping option more specific. Here, select the condition type that fits your needs. Conditions allow you to customize when that shipping option should apply, which can be useful if you want different rules based on things like order value or other store settings. Take a moment to review the available options and customize everything as needed so it matches your shipping strategy. Once you're happy with the setup, click Add to save the shipping option. That's it. Your shipping settings are now in place. Be sure to review everything carefully before customers start placing orders, so your store's checkout experience is smooth, accurate, and easy to understand.